how do we actually measure the settlement of your home? And that one's actually pretty easy. We have a machine that does it for us. So we'll draw a sketch or a floor plan of your entire house. From there, we'll take a machine, it's called a manometer or an altimeter, and what it'll actually do is give us floor readings, a digital floor reading, and a number based on a high or low from a centralized focal point. So we'll have a focal point kind of probably in the center of your house, and then it'll give us a reading of high or low from that point. Again, it goes pretty quick. We always want to do at least 3 to 4 measurements in a room just so we have accurate data and make sure we don't miss anything. So that is how we actually measure your floor elevations, is with a machine. If you have any additional questions that we haven't been able to answer in this video, by all means, click the Get Started button or give us a call at the office. We'd be glad to answer any additional questions that you may have, or go ahead and schedule your free foundation inspection to get you rolling, to get you the answers you need.